What you're about to see is a man in total control of two traffic stops where the cops are trying to railroad him. And I gotta tell you, it's pretty enjoyable watching these officers of the law get put in their place.
That was an illegal stop, and I want your name and badge number.
Sir.
Don't give me your name and badge number.
You'll let me speak, sir?
No, give me my ID so I can go because my tag light is on. I'm done. I don't want to talk to you.
But
I do not want to talk to you. Go ahead and move away, please. Do not talk to me anymore. Give me my goddamn license.
Sir, there's no need for language.
I'm a grown-ass man. I can talk how the fuck I want to talk. Now let's go ahead and amp it up a little bit. Now get the fuck out of my face. You're stopping me for somebody else saying that some challenger was doing this? No, we ain't rolling like that. I'm not showing you my ID for that. Am I free to go?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm ready to go because I got a game to get to. You're not going to violate my rights for something somebody else said.
Who's violating your rights?
You.
A cop is a stranger. And as a general rule, we don't talk to strangers.
I do not want to talk to you. I'm done. I don't want to talk to you.
We don't talk to strangers unless we know how to handle a stranger cop. Or is that a strange cop? Or is that a cop who is a stranger? Anyway, we don't talk to them. Why? Because nothing you say to Power Trip and Teddy Tyrant is going to help the case that they're trying to build against you. On the other hand, if you know how to handle cops and you're willing to confront them on their BS harassment stops, like this one, where cops fabricate a reason to pull this man over, this is how O'Shea Jackson does it. I see you creeping around back there, Mr. Plumpernickel.
He pulled me over for my tag light being out. As you can see, my tag light is on. I'll get in the vehicle. You pulled me over for a tag light that's on.
Sir, I need you to step back in the vehicle.
I need you to come hand me my ID for this illegal stop. I just got stopped by a police officer that said my tag lights was out. As you can see, my tag lights are on. And by the way, I do a check on my vehicle before I pull out every other day. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. They seen that I come around and I see and I do a little filming. He pulled me over for my tag light not being on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and file an official complaint again, because I've been following them around, taking a look. Well, not really following them, but stopping and checking out the stops that they've been conducting. So all of a sudden, I get stopped for a light that is on. Now you see it's on, right? Don't touch my vehicle.
We're just checking to see if we can see the light.
That was an illegal stop, and I want your name and badge number.
All right, okay. Sir.
Don't give me your name and badge number.
Okay, Officer Rosado, Columbus Police Department.
Okay.
Badge number 148.
Okay, Officer Rosado, thank you. And you too, please.
When I pulled up behind
okay. And you too, please.
Look, I'm Corporal Andrew Stinson. I do not have a badge number. I'm a corporal.
Okay, Corporal. I appreciate it.
Okay. When I pulled up behind you.
Okay, is it on now? Is it on now?
You cannot see it from a distance.
Well, you're the only one. I've been driving around forever. A distance, well, you should be able to see it where you're at right now. When I got back to the vehicle, I could see it was on.
What do you think the chances are that the cops are lying about this? This looks like a fairly new car. The tag light is clearly illuminated, and it just seems like the boys in blue aren't being honest about this. Frankly, it's kind of looking like a fishing expedition.
You'll let me speak, sir?
No, give me my ID so I can go because my tag light is on.
Sir.
No, give me my ID so I can go. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk to you. I will be filing an official complaint.
That is your right, sir.
Okay, I'm done. I don't want to talk to you.
But
I do not want to talk to you. Go ahead and move away, please. Do not talk to me anymore.
Hey, you know how you have a right to stop and film us, correct?
I have a damn right. I got a right to stop and film you. And that's the reason I'm getting stopped right now.
I'm standing here on City Street talking.
And guess what? I do a vehicle check every time I leave my house, and it's on video. So when I make the official, give me my goddamn license.
Sir, there's no need for language.
I'm a grown-ass man. I can talk how the fuck I want to talk. Now let's go ahead and amp it up a little bit.
There's no need to curse that.
Now get the fuck out of my face.
I'm being polite.
It ain't polite when you fucking illegally stop me. Now get out of my face. You guys have a good day. Am I free to go?
Free to go, sir.
All right, have a good one.
Drive safe.
No, you drive safe. I'll be making an official complaint.
In this one, O'Shea has been pulled over by Deputy Sutton from the Parrott, Georgia Sheriff's Department because he heard that a red Challenger was traveling at an excessive rate of speed.
I think that's called hearsay.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
All right.
You got your driver's license, insurance?
Oh, you saying I was speeding?
Am I saying you were speeding?
Yeah.
Well, we just got a complaint about a red Challenger just coming into the city limits by, I guess, some drivers saying that a red Challenger driving at an excessive rate of speed. And so what we're doing is whenever we get these type of complaints, we'll make contact with the vehicle and see what's going on, see if you're in an emergency or anything.
Well, no, I'm not showing you my ID for that. Who's your supervisor?
My supervisor is Sheriff Owens.
Okay, because another driver said I was speeding. Okay. Where's your proof to that? Some other driver said I was speeding.
Listen, sir, it's not even about playing the court out here. I know what you're trying to do, but it's not even that serious, okay? The reason why
I'm not showing you my driver's license for you telling me somebody else said I was speeding. I know I wasn't speeding when I went by you.
The thing is, we gotta complain about a car traveling at excessive speed.
I don't care.
And you're endangering, you're possibly endangering people coming down on the highway. It's really not, you know what I'm saying? There's no reason to be like this.
Okay, well, I'm not showing you my ID for somebody telling you that a red Challenger was speeding.
All right, so when we get a complaint about a vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, going in and out of traffic.
I won't go on that. First of all, I wasn't doing what you're saying they're saying I was doing. What's your name and badge number, officer?
I'm Deputy Sutton, man.
Deputy Sutton?
Yes, sir.
You're stopping me for somebody else saying that some Challenger was doing this? No, we ain't rolling like that. I'm not showing you my ID for that. Am I free to go?
No, sir.
Okay.
So you really gonna do this?
Yeah.
You're really going to do this? Meaning, are you really going to stand firm on your right to be secure in your person? You damn right, officer. That's exactly what I'm going to do. We lost enough of our rights, and we're not about to lose any more. Get used to it.
Because I'm on the way to a football game, and I know you guys stayed this little town and the little town back behind there have you guys on the streets stopping speeders all the time.
Okay.
So I know not to speed coming through these areas.
Okay.
First of all, because I'm from this place. Okay, I'm ready to go because I got a game to get to.
While we having people complaining about a vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, it's only necessary that we stop. Just like if it's a suspicious person in the area,
okay,
we have the right to check them out. You know what I'm
okay,
saying?
you can check me out, but I'm not giving you my driver's license for what somebody else said. Let's say this driver that complained, me and him had a situation, okay, and he wanted to play get back at me.
Well, listen, it's not even about citing you. I'm not trying to give you a ticket or anything.
Okay, well, you're not going to violate my rights for something somebody else said.
Who's violating your rights?
You are not about to violate my rights for I haven't committed a crime or that you can prove.
Okay.
So I'm not going to give you, and I appreciate you actually doing a job because I ain't never seen a black man over in this area before, and I appreciate it, and I'm proud of you, but regardless of your skin color, you're not about to violate my rights.
I can't be proud of anybody who voluntarily signs on to be a part of a profession that harms people and tramples their rights while they pretend to be protectors and servants of their victims.
Well, for future reference, I'm going to tell you, man, this is not about violating your rights, okay?
Okay.
All right, it's not about violating your rights. It's about us out here trying to do what we're supposed to do.
Okay. Well,
now,
you're going to do it within the confines of the law.
Okay.
Okay? You ain't gonna ID me for what somebody else said. Now, if you came up on me and you saw me doing it, that's a different story.
Okay.
Okay, am I free to go?
No, sit tight, okay?
Okay. And by the way, I'm armed, just so you know.
So, like I said, this is basically just a stop, just to check the status, make sure everything is good.
Okay.
All right. I'm not trying to give you any more of a hard time.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Like I said, I appreciate your job. Look, I ain't taking nothing personal, and like I'm saying, we're going back and forth, and I appreciate your job and your service.
Right. I'm not pressing the issue. I didn't clock you at going at 122 miles per hour, okay? So, I mean, that's all I got for you.
Okay.
All right.
All right, have a good one. All right.
Pulling people over for hearsay and fabricating traffic infractions in order to fish for more crimes is the state of American policing today. O'Shea Jackson's video links will be in the description. If you visit him, let him know Here's the Deal sent you. Not everybody can be an O'Shea Jackson, but you don't have to be. Just keep your mouth shut, pull out your TriFold, and let it do the talking for you. The link is in the description. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt or become a channel member or both. Remember, the price of freedom is now and will always be eternal vigilance. And indifference to this notion is the means by which the people have and will secure their own oppression. I'll see you in the next video.